Hi, my name's Scott Reel, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'd like to talk to you about container gardening. Hi, one of the things that's gotten a lot of interest in gardening circles over the past couple of years is container gardening. There's a lot of good reasons for it. First of all, containers are a type of gardening you can do anywhere. Even if you're in an inner city or an apartment dweller with nothing but a balcony, container gardenings offer a way for you to get your hands dirty and into the world of gardening. It also offers you a chance to be artistic with more than just the plants. The containers themselves have artful, colorful mediums that you can play with any number of different ways. So no matter where you live, if it's out in the country or if it's in the city, container gardening is a great way to spice up your patio, your deck, your apartment, balcony, wherever you live. Let's look at some different ways we can use container gardens around our houses.